What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these passion twists, how to do these passion twists. I actually took a little bit of time out over the weekend to finally put these in my hair. I'm going to give you guys like the specs on the hair once I'm done styling the hair and things like that. I'm going to tell you guys if the hair is worth it. I'm going to give you guys the full look of the hair. So far I just have it styled in my little turban. I didn't even do my edges, you guys. I kind of just woke up, hence my face, but I've been promising you guys this video for the longest and I'm finally able to get it up for you guys. I did not do my entire head on camera only because I've been looking at a lot of my, my analytics on my channel and things like that. This is probably stuff that you guys don't want to hear. But a lot of you guys don't even take the time to sit down and watch a full video of mine. It says my average duration is probably like 2 to 3 minutes that catches you guys' attention. So if you guys do feel like you guys want to see like a full out video of me doing the hair or whatever, I know sometimes some of us probably got ADHD, sometimes we don't feel like sitting here through the whole thing. Just let me know what you guys want to see and I'll make sure I can accommodate you guys, because I hate to do 11-minute videos for you guys and y'all only watching 2 minutes. Like, sis, come on. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys how to style this hair. It does come down to my hips. And yes, so enough talking, enough rambling. This is the hair that I did the hair giveaway on, the Passion Twist hair from the Youngster Hair Company on Amazon. I'll put the links below in the description box as well. And baby, let's get on to the video. All right, so this is what I have so far. I did the back. I did the majority of my head. I don't know why I just said I did the back. So that's basically what it looked like. I'm taking 3 strands of hair at a time. I'm doing big parts because I know I'm not going to keep this in my hair for long. I just wanted to get this video up for you guys. So I'm parting that one section into 2. And I'm just taking that braiding hair and I'm just literally, how can I explain this? The best way is to really just look like I'm just braiding it. I'm braiding the top maybe about a 1/2 inch. And then what I'm doing is taking my hair and blending it with the weave. And then I start twisting after I feel like that braid is secure onto my head. But I don't feel like this was a good demonstration because it was not close to my scalp it wasn't as close to my scalp as I wanted it to be. But I just said whatever, because I'm probably gonna wear these for about a week or 2 and take them out. So yeah, I'm just twisting all the way down at the ends. I'm twisting all the way down to the ends. It was super easy. It's just a basic twist. And what I'm going to be doing is adding some Tresemme hair serum down on the ends just to get it to curl a little bit. Now this hair serum is an anti-frizz serum, so I thought that would be perfect for this. I'm also using this Gotta Be glue, Gorilla Glue or whatever you call it, just to lay down my hair. I'm going back and forth between this and some Carol's Daughter edge control, which is not all that. I'm really picky about my edge control. The edge control I really love is the Ebon or Even New York. It's like a 24-hour hair tame, and that is like my go-to edge control. But anyways, I'm doing the same method, braiding it down for about a 1/2 inch and blending my hair with the braiding hair and just twisting. It is so easy. It took me about, to be honest, I started on Friday and I didn't finish until Monday, which the only reason why was because I had like the most chill weekend and I was not trying to do anything, you guys. So I started the back and then I went 2 days without doing the front of my hair. But I'm just doing the same thing, did the last part, braided it 1/2 inch and then started twisting it. So this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy it. I was trying to show y'all the back. My camera is like a zoom lens, so oh, the video is not over, my bad. So I took some boiling water, hot water, and I dipped these ends just to get the hair to lock so the twist won't come undone and things like that. But I more so do this for the stretch. After you boil it in the hot water, it does stretch, so I'm just showing you guys the difference between dipping it in the hot water and it not being dipped. It was definitely a lot longer. So I just did my baby hair, threw on my turban, and I was ready to go, you guys. If you guys want a video on how to style this hair, definitely don't be afraid to ask. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.